Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about my skincare routine. I'm filming this video every year because I do enjoy filming it and some products are changing. First of all, I want to mention that my skin type is combo and I have an oilier T-zone and the rest of the face is pretty normal. So in general, what I'm trying to achieve, it is a hydrated skin, but not oily. So let's start with the morning routine. For me, it is a simple one because I just want to get ready pretty fast because I don't have a lot of time in the morning. So first of all, I'm using this one. It is the Salicylic acid cleanser from the Inkey List. I'm using this one daily. It's not stripping, not very strong, but it's helping a bit with my combo skin. So I think this is a really nice product. Don't use it around your eyes because it will sting a bit, but for the rest of the face, it's just great. And then again, for my combo skin, I'm using niacinamide. It's just so great. I've been using this one for years. It is the niacinamide from The Ordinary. It is really good and not that expensive. And lastly, for the morning routine and the most important step, I'm applying the SPF. And right now I'm applying this one. It is the Purito Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen and it is SPF 50. It is a hydrating one, but it looks so nice. It's a bit glowy, but not oily, not sticky. It doesn't peel. Makeup looks incredible on top of it. I do recommend this one. It's just amazing. And in the summer months, I'm using something a bit more blurry. And this one is my favorite for that. It is the Cerave SPF 50 Blur Sun Secure. I've been using this one for a long time. This one is a bit newer, but I really like it. So this one I've been using like crazy. I think I went through 4 or 5 or even more. It's great and it is blurring, but again, not peeling and a very easy SPF to use. So that was my morning routine. Let's move into the nighttime because usually that's the time when I'm applying a bit more treatments and stuff like that. First of all, daily I am using a micellar water just to remove my makeup. This is the one that I've been using for years and I'm using it with a cotton round because that's the way it is the easiest. I have in here the Garnier Micellar water, but it is the one that is with some oils just to remove the mascara and stuff like that. It is great, I do enjoy it and it is very affordable. And then I have a 2-step cleansing routine. So that was step 1 and then I have cleansers for step 2 that are gel cleansers. So I have in here this one. It's not a favorite or something, but I do have it in my collection right now, so I wanted to mention it. It is the foaming cream cleanser from Korres. In my opinion, it is very similar to the Cerave hydrating one, so that one is way more affordable, so I do recommend that one instead of this one. But my favorite one, that it's my favorite for a long time, it is the Youth to the People Superfood cleanser. I bought recently this smaller bottle because I just want to repurchase it more often, so I don't have it in my collection for too long. This one is pretty strong in general. It's perfect for removing excess makeup, but I don't recommend you to use this one every day. Maybe just put something hydrating in between so your skin is not stripped or something like that, but it is a great cleanser overall. And after my skin is completely clean and dry, is the time for treatments. So let's talk about the 2 treatments that I mostly use, and that is retinol and BHA. So this is the combo that I really enjoy. It is working for me. First of all, I have in here the Inkey List Retinol 1%. I'm using this one like 4 times per week, something like that. I do enjoy this one, the consistency and everything. It is very easy to apply and it doesn't smell weird or something like that because others did. And the packaging is not weird, but I do recommend you to be a bit careful and work your way up because 4 times per week, it is a lot. And this one is 1%. So start with 0.5 and apply it 1 or twice per week and then just, like I said, work your way up, but 4 times or even 5 for me, it is perfect. I really like it. And then 1 time per week, I'm using this one. It is the Salicylic acid from Paula's Choice. It is the 2% one. It is great. It's an amazing product. It was hyped for a reason. but it is pretty strong, so one time per week is more than enough for me. If my skin is pretty dry or something like that, I'm even skipping that because it is pretty strong. And then like one time per week or something like that, I'm using only something hydrating, and I really like this one. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream from Isntree. It's just great. Sometimes I'm applying this on top of the retinol or something like that. If I want something even more hydrating, I'm doing 2 steps for hydration. But this is great. You can use this one in the morning as well if you want, because it is a gel consistency. It sinks into the skin very fast and it's just glowy and beautiful. And then I want to mention the 2 products that I have for acne. Sometimes I do have a zit here and there. My favorite one is this one. It is the Badescu drying lotion. It is the best one overall, but I have the Acnemy one, the Dryzit one. This one is okay, but it's not the same. This one is just a bit stronger and I do like it. I will repurchase this one at some point, and usually I'm taking a Q-tip or something like that and applying this one on the zit, and that's it. And it works wonderful. And lastly, for hydration, I have in here this one. Is very affordable and very nice. It is the Cerave Moisturising Cream. This one is just fragrance-free, pretty simple ingredients, and I do like it overall. It is hydrating but not greasy or something like that, and I really like it. Right now as well I have the Korres one. I got this one and the cleanser from a friend. This one is okay. Again, I'm not impressed, but I wanted to give you a review. It is the Green Yogurt Nourishing Proteic Gel Cream. It's okay, nothing spectacular. I prefer a gel cream like this one. It's okay, and this one, it is in a tub. I would prefer a squeeze tube. It's just easier for a gel cream consistency product. I just finished this one. It is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. It is a really nice one, but it is so pricey. So usually with eye creams, you can take something hydrating like this and apply it around your eyes. It's totally okay. This is fragrance free. It is fine. You don't need an extra product for that. But I got this one from a friend and it is a really nice product. So I do recommend it, but it is pretty expensive overall. And usually I'm buying this one. It is the Cerave Palpebral Cream. This one is nice. It's hydrating and I do enjoy it. And lastly, for lips, usually I'm applying a lip oil or a lip gloss or something like that. I want to mention some that I really enjoy. The Sigma one is always my favorite one. It's just great. And I found this year in 2023, I mean last year, the Viv one that is pretty similar and I do enjoy it. The glossy lip oil from Viv, it is a bit more on the glossy side. And for a lip balm, I want to recommend this one. It is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I understand the hype. It is really nice. It is pretty expensive though, but it is a balm that is working. So I do appreciate this product. It is really nice. So this was my routine. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.